Hi guys, thanks for tuning in. And this quick tutorial will show you how to add anchors to your blog posts. By the way, what are anchors? Think of anchors as digital bookmarks for your webpage. They allow you to create links that allow a reader to jump straight to a specific section of a post. Perfect for long articles because it lets people skip ahead to the exact info they need without having to scroll forever. So here's how you can do it. On the blog post editor, go to the text you want to link and highlight it. Say, for example, this one. Now, click the link button on the toolbar above, and on this drop down, make sure to select section. Go to this drop down and look for the section that corresponds to your highlighted text. So let's look for oversized silhouettes. Okay, here it is. That's why it's important to properly format your text. So headings should be headings so that you could easily find or locate it just like this. So once you're done, click on save. So now, every time your reader clicks on this, it will directly be taken to that section, which you can also see just what happened. And there you go. Don't forget to click on save or publish it to publish your changes to your live site as well. And that's it. Hope this video was helpful. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video.